Lagi mah. Kopi tahu.
Udah caleg peran dia mau gila.
Bola tinggal mau melayu.
Ayah pelak betul kan?
It's so hot in here. There. I think something crawled down my throat. Open your mouth. Let me see. You see anything? No, but we got to do something to get it to crawl back out. This will do it. I see it right there. It's right there. I see it. Hey, went back down. Went back down your mouth. Hey, get it out of me. I can feel it.
I don't puke.
This won't work. Snakes love mice. Come on, buddy. Come on out, Snake. It's lunchtime. Come on out. Come on, it smells good, don't it? It smells good, don't it? I see it.
Pull out, quick!
What in the world is happening here?
Help me! What am I doing? I can't breathe. It's really strong. It must be wrapped around your tonsils. Why are you dancing with the thing? I ain't dancing with it. It's trying to bite me.
Don't hurt the poor snake. Just take it outside. Act like a human, would you?
Yeah, act like a human, would you?
Oh, shut up, Dave. At least I am human.
That was a low blow, Jesse.
It's a devil snake.
Watch out for the window. You're getting close to it. Please tell me the snake isn't hurt.
The snake is fine.
We have hidden a red egg somewhere in this video.
Did you find it? Leave a comment and let us know. Become part of the Jesse Mike tribe and hit that subscribe button.
If you want to see more of our videos with red eggs,
Click the video links in the description below.
the comment this week is from Bria.
You guys rock the galaxy with your awesome videos. Thank you!